Hey, what's up YouTube? Hey, Trucker Warren coming at you from, where am I? Where the heck am I? Oh yeah, Grants, New Mexico. Well, I just wanted to give you an update on how the engine rebuild has been going. I've got about 3,000 miles on it. I know it's been a while since I've given you an update, but you know, here's the thing. It took me a while to rebuild it. As soon as I got done rebuilding it, well then COVID hit. So all the RGN freight just sunk right to the bottom. Well, thankfully, you know, Landstar has a van trailer pool, so called Landstar and said, you know, can I pull a van? They said yeah. So I've been out on the road with that. So here's the update so far. The only issues that I have nothing to do with the rebuild. The issues that I have is the rear main seal was leaking before I did this rebuild, and obviously I'm not going to get to that without pulling the transmission. Now, I've done a transmission by myself in a big truck. I ain't doing it again. So I'm going to get on the road and make some money. Well, I am on the road, but as soon as I get some money ahead, I'm going to have the transmission pulled, have the rear main, a clutch, and maybe input-output shafts. But this 3,000 mile update feels like it has a little bit more power. My fuel mileage has been consistent over 7 miles per gallon, which wasn't the case before. For example, I just now came over Flagstaff, and usually I'm down in the low 6s or maybe even upper 5s, but I was in the mid 7s. So, you know, power is negotiable, negligible I should say, as far as the increase goes, but you know, overall I think it's doing really good. So I'm gonna give you another update here shortly where I can get outside and show you some stuff on the engine, but for right now I just wanted to give you an update. Thanks for watching, appreciate y'all following me, thank you for all your support, and we'll catch you next time. See y'all soon.